In this video, I will show you how you can get a Semrush free trial. So first you want to go and click on the link down in the description. That will take you to this page, and from here you can actually start your free trial by clicking on sign up in the top right. Now from here you can simply continue with Google or email and password. Then just confirm your email address by adding the verification code right there. Then just go and answer these questions. So first you need to customize your flow. So why did you come to Semrush? For example, I'll go with work. Then what is your experience with marketing tasks? Then how many people work at your company? And how long have you been working with SEO? Then the final question, do you mind telling us how much you consider spending on an SEO tool per month? You could say I'm going to use only free tools, but I'll say more than $100 and click continue. Now here you will see you can claim free trials on the Pro and the Guru plan, and you will have a 7-day free trial in which you can just use Semrush. So for example, I'll get it for the Pro plan and click get free trial. Now from here, all you need to do is enter your payment details. You can simply use, for example, Revolut to create a virtual card that you can use once to enter your payment details here, and then click try it now. And after doing that, you will have started your free trial of 7 days. So again, click on the link in the description, then click sign up, choose your Google account or just sign up by entering your details, then confirm your email address, then answer the questions, and from here just choose your plan and start your 7-day free trial. So now you know how to get a Semrush free trial. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.